guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Lux Angel. On this channel, I discuss luxury, fashion, and style. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe. You can do so with the red subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, today is the day. We're doing a luxury unboxing today. In my previous video, I told you that I had already ordered the Moschino card case, and that is what is here. Came really fast. I ordered it on a Sunday. They said it would take a couple weeks, and well, it only took like a few days. I ordered it on a Sunday, and today is Thursday, and it was delivered today. I got this from Nordstrom Rack, and Nordstrom Rack, like, they have great luxury designers and contemporary designers, but they have great deals and they sell out fast. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing because I'm super excited. Let's see. I'm just gonna try and get this tape cut here. I love when they send these boxes that easily fold up because that means I can reuse it. All right, so this is a pretty large box for such a small item. Ooh, Moschino Couture, Milano. Model number and all that good stuff. So let's just open it. Little tape there. And here we go. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, it comes in a little dust bag. Very nice. Moschino Couture Milano. Very nice. I'm glad I got a dust bag with this item. Very glad about that. I don't know why. I like getting dust bags. I feel like you can use them for multiple purposes, even if you do not use it for the item. So let's see. Let's see. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Never mind me. All right, so at first glance, I likey. You see it has Moschino in the, it's not even raised hardware. It's like a chain hardware that's like linked onto this band here. And it is wrapped, so they are trying to protect it. Here is the tag. Yeah, don't know what any of that stuff means. Made in Italy. Don't speak Italian. But maybe I'll learn just because of this. All right, okay. So Nordstrom, oh no, this is not Nordstrom. This says Moschino Couture Milano. So they did a nice job of like making it feel special, even though I like ordered it online. Well, let me see if I can just slide this out. I'm assuming this is the care card. They did a lot to make you feel a little bit luxurious, even though you're not going into like a boutique and purchasing it. Oh, look at that cute little envelope. It says Moschino Milano. That's nice. Oh, make you feel fancy. Ooh, I like this packaging. Okay. Oh, a certificate of authenticity. Didn't know I would get that. Oh, like a true luxury item. Look at that. Moschino Milano certificate of authenticity. Okay, and it says, let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. We certify that this article has been sourced and produced with the highest level of craftsmanship and materials. Oh my gosh. And you can check the authenticity here. Ooh, and so I'm guessing this is like the item number and the specific lot number. Oh, that's cool. How do you like me now? Okay, and then this is the care card. I like how it's black. That's different. Everybody else is white. Oh, here we go. Congratulations on your choice. The item you have just purchased has been manufactured with the finest leather and best quality materials. All leathers used are naturally tanned, so I will just keep that in its envelope. Now let's get into the item. All this stuff, and I haven't even gotten to the item. Like, I'm sorry. I was just so concerned with the packaging. What's the point of an unboxing if you're not looking at the packaging? All right, so here we go. Red and polka dot card case. Of course, it has one, oh, this is really nice and soft. One slot here, one slot here. And then on the back, it has 2 slots as well. And then a middle slot, typical card. This is really soft, I have to say. very soft. This is not, this seems like it seems like a grained leather, maybe a pebbled leather. Look how soft it is. It's not like a Saffiano leather. And then this is just a stuffing pretty much. But yeah, this is really soft. They said it hasn't been treated or anything to maintain the softness. So that's interesting, but it is really soft. Oh, here we go. Moschino Milano, stamped in the back. That's nice. And there it is. Guys, made in Italy. I don't see a tag in here. It just says made in Italy here, stamped, and then Moschino Milano on the back. That's a nice touch. Not like you couldn't tell from this. And let's see, do I just slide this off? It's hard doing this behind the camera. I think you just peel that off, just like that. And if you can see on this piece, this is really cool. These letters actually move. It's like beaded on here, like all the way around this strap, and the letters move. That's really, really cool. I found that interesting. But yeah, this leather is super, super soft, and I'm liking it so far. It's a good little first impression when I unbox this. And then make sure to give you the Luxe treatment. Even though it's a small item, you still get a dust bag, you still get a card of authenticity. And I think that is a nice touch because it is a luxury brand and they're giving you what you expect from a luxury brand. Even though you are purchasing it online, I think that's really nice. You know, you're not going into a boutique, but you're still getting the things you would expect from a luxury item. So good on you, Moschino. And good on you, Nordstrom Rack. But I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit that like button. And until next time, have a gorgeous day.